Hey, how are you? Good, thank you. How are you? Good, thank you. It's just, if you've been following along at home, you might have been where I've been talking to some people, and they've been, apparently they've been trying to work out whether they think Taeyang could be the Antichrist. Maybe I was just playing some music to make me feel better about the fact that he was very mean to me and stuff. And you know, even with headphones on. And I don't know whether he's watching with Farsight or I don't know what. But anyway, he got upset because I was playing a song to make myself feel better. That upset him. Got angry and so he started trying to he was trying to pick up my thoughts, and so I said to him, "What are your thoughts?" And I tried to pick up his, and so he gave me brain damage, and the people who were watching just said, "You're a monster, Taeyang." Yes. And then somebody else said, I explained to them that he learned how to torture, like that, giving somebody brain damage like that psychically is a form of torture, is a modern form of torture. I was explaining to him that he learned how to torture in all the different ways from being part of the Catholic Inquisition. And they just looked at each other, and I just said, "No, you can't move him to another parish." You know how they do that. They get caught for something, they pretend they're dead, hide them in another part of their church, doing exactly the same thing, the same position of trust, getting more people abused. No, they can't hide him. I really don't think the Antichrist will be hidden. Yeah. That's all I got. Anyway, see you.